What's going on, people? It's your boy, Kelechi, back with another episode of Shower Thoughts, where literally I just talk into the microphone, or rather, in this case, into the camera, because your boy loves to talk and he has random things that pop in his head and he decides to talk about it. Today, we're going to be talking about money and jealousy. Money and jealousy. So, it's something that recently I was talking to my sister about and I've been dealing with and just thinking about, because as you're in this whole YouTube space, and you're paying attention to people making investments and people doing well for themselves, it's very easy to get green with envy. It's very easy to get jealous of the success of other people. It's very easy to start asking yourself, what am I doing? How come they're succeeding? Why can't I succeed like they're succeeding? As Peter Lynch used to put it, it's like, how come they're investing? They're dumb. There's no way my neighbor is any smarter than me. My neighbor is dumb. How come he's able to make all this money in the stock market? And it's so easy to get into that mentality of trying to be better than everybody else and comparing yourself to everybody else. And it can be so destructive. It can be so destructive because you know what happens when you're driving down the road and you don't pay attention to your own lane? And you're looking at somebody else's lane, the way they're driving, you're looking at their car, you're not paying attention to the lane that's in front of you. What ends up happening is, oh yeah, that's right, you get into accidents because you can't see the things that are coming in front of you. You can't pay attention to the things that are happening right in front of your face because you're too distracted by what everybody else is doing, how they're successful, how they're succeeding, how they're doing whatever it is that they're doing in their lives, and you're not focused on your journey, on your grind, on your work, on you being successful at the moment and place that you are in right now. Especially in our day and age, where everybody's on this fast riches thing, where everybody feels like if I don't make passive income, if I don't make money in some way, shape, or form, if I'm not doing something, if I'm not working like 4 jobs or doing all of these other things, then I'm not successful. Then I'm failing at life. Especially when you start. Where was I? Battery died. So we're just going to pick up from right here. Especially in this 24/7 news cycle that we are in this day and age, where we see everything from everybody all the time. And then on top of everything, we see how much money they're making from doing the things that maybe we want to do as well. But something I had from a podcast I was listening to, he said, it is okay to build wealth slowly. And I think in our day and age of fast news, fast life, fast cars, all of this stuff, we've lost the semblance of building something over time. With a lot of things that the last 10 years has happened very quickly with technology growth and all that stuff, a lot of things have happened like that, very fast. And so now the belief is if it's not happening as fast as I want it to happen, then I'm failing at something. Or I look at somebody else who has been doing something for years and years and years, and I only see them where they are right now, and I compare them to where I am, and I say, whoa, what am I doing with myself? Like I said earlier, it's okay to build wealth slowly. You don't have to be on the fast track like everybody else. You don't have to be on the fast lane like everybody else. You can be in your lane and enjoy the things that you find important in life. For some of us, that's spending more time with family. I know for me, spending time with family is so important. It's one of the reasons that I quit my old job. For some of us, being able to play soccer more often is important. So everything we do is around the idea of I want to play soccer on the weekends. And it's okay. We all don't have to be the next Gary Vee. We all don't need to be Stephen Graham or whatever the freak his name is. No offense to him. Or Andre Schick or anybody else. You can just be you. Going at your own pace and succeeding at life. So, it's okay to build wealth slowly.